Good morning, everyone. How's you all? Good morning. How's you all, everyone?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, just take out your worksheet. I'm also very fine. Everyone, now just take out your worksheet.
Yes, ma'am, I am very fine. Yes, ma'am.
And take out your pencil and eraser too. We will do the worksheet now. Okay. And today we will complete this chapter after doing the worksheet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we start the worksheet now? First I will
No,
take the
ma'am,
attendance.
your
Okay.
voice is not coming, is cracking.
Now it is clear. Now
Yes,
my voice
ma'am.
is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, your voice is clear.
We will take the attendance.
Your
Okay.
voice is not coming. Okay,
Now you all are getting my voice.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
first take the attendance. Just be ready for your attendance. Okay, just wait a minute. First we will take the attendance. Pranshu,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Alok,
Present, ma'am.
Diya,
Present, ma'am.
Jasvi,
Present, ma'am.
Khushi,
Present, ma'am.
Manav,
Present, ma'am.
Mantra,
Present, ma'am.
Meet,
Present, ma'am.
Namr,
Present, ma'am.
Pranshi,
Present, ma'am.
Riya,
Present, ma'am.
Tavan,
Present.
Arsh, okay. Now everyone just take out your SS worksheet.
मेरा नाम नहीं आया.
Just now I am sharing you the screen. Just take out your worksheet on page number 3. Are you all able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. मैम पर आपने कल आपने PDF नहीं भेजा था क्वेश्चन आंसर का.
कौन सी क्लास में नहीं भेजा था मैंने?
4th E.
Okay, just now I will send.
नो मैम. ओके मैम. आपने भेजा था.
मुझे मिला था. अगर मैम आपने भेजा था फोटो. Okay, now everyone just take out your worksheet. Today we will do that. Okay, now shall we start doing the worksheet? So chapter number 5, day 1, exercise number 1, multiple choice questions. The Western Ghats are the source of perennial rivers. The Western Ghats are the source of perennial rivers. Take the option B, perennial rivers. Everyone just take the option B, perennial rivers. Now see the second part, the plateau which lies between Vindhya and Satpura. Vindhya और Satpura के बीच में कौन सा plateau है? Deccan plateau. So take the option C, Deccan plateau. So take the option C, Deccan. Now in third one, the hills that lies to the northeast of Southern Plateau. Southern Plateau के north east direction में कौन सी hills आती है? Rajmahal Hills. So right here Rajmahal Hills. Tick the option C. Just recheck. In the first one, perennial rivers. In the second one, option C, Deccan. And in the third one, option C, Rajmahal. Okay? Now we will move towards the exercise second, that is the Aravalli Hills. Sorry, fill in the blank. So the first one is the dash and the dash. Border the Southern Plateau. जो Southern Plateau region है, जो हमें वो मैप दिया है ऑरेंज कलर का, उसकी जो तीनों बॉर्डर है वो कौन कवर करता है? सी. नॉर्थ वेस्ट साइड में अरावली हिल्स और नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड में राजमहल हिल्स. सो इन द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक राइट अरावली हिल्स. सी द स्पेलिंग ARAVALLI. ARAVALLI, Aravalli Hills. HILLS, Hills, Aravalli Hills. In the second blank, write Rajmahal Hills. Write the spelling RAJMAHAL, Rajmahal Hills. HILLS, Hills. RAJMAHAL, Rajmahal Hills. And in the third blank, write Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. So write here WESTERN, Western Ghats. GHATS. WESTERN, Western Ghats. GHATS, Ghats. Border Southern Plateau of three sides. तो Southern Plateau की three sides को कौन border करता है? Aravalli Hills, Rajmahal Hills, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Now see the second blank. The Southern Plateau is a storehouse of minerals like iron ore and coal. Iron ore and coal. Write the spelling IRONORECOAL, coal. IRONORECOAL in the next blank. Iron ore and coal. Okay? Now we will move towards the day 2 exercise, that is unscramble the following words. So here is the first one, plateau. PLATEAU, plateau. PLATEAU, plateau. Once again I repeat this, PLATEAU. Now the second one is Kanyakumari. KANYAKUMARI, Kanyakumari. Once again I repeat this, KANYAKUMARI, Kanyakumari. Third one is Highlands. HIGHLANDS, Highlands. Once again I repeat this, HIGHLANDS, Highlands. So the first one was plateau, second one was Kanyakumari, and third one is Highlands. Okay, now turn your page everyone. We will move towards the next page of day 3. So see here, choose the correct option. So the first one is, the highest peak of the plateau region is Anaimudi. So take the option B, Anaimudi. हमारी प्लेट्यू का जो हाईएस्ट पीक है वो कौन सा है? अनाईमुदी. सो टेक द ऑप्शन बी, अनाईमुदी.
मैम क्या आप मुझे फर्स्ट पेज दिखा सकते हैं?
व्हाट हैपेंड?
फर्स्ट पेज दिखा सकते हैं?
बेटा मैं आपको एक बार पढ़ा दूं, एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दूं, फिर मैं लास्ट में आपको दिखा दूंगी. ओके. Now see, first one is B option, that is Anaimudi. In second one, the Western Ghats known as Nilgiri is in, जो Western Ghat है उसको हम नीलगिरी बोलते हैं. कौन सी जगह पे बोलते हैं? कर्नाटका. Right here, कर्नाटका. Take the option A, Karnataka. Now in the third one, which of the following river is westward flowing? वेस्ट की तरफ कौन सी रिवर फ्लो करती है? नर्मदा. दो है हमें यहाँ पे, सिर्फ अभी एक ही ऑप्शन गिवन है. देयर इज ओनली वन ऑप्शन, दैट इज द नर्मदा. सो टिक द ऑप्शन सी, द नर्मदा. Now just recheck this. First one is option B, that is Anaimudi. Second one is option A, that is Karnataka, and in the third one option C, the Narmada. Now see the second part. Okay, now see the exercise second. Fill in the blanks. River dash drains in the Chota Nagpur plateau and joins river dash. कौन सी जो रिवर है वो कौन सी रिवर ड्रेन होती है छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू में? दामोदर. So right here DAMODAR, दामोदर. DAMODAR, दामोदर. And in the second blank write Hooghly, HOOGLY, Hooghly. HOOGLY, Hooghly. Now see the second one. The Western Ghats are known as, Western Ghats को क्या बोलते हैं? शायद्री. है महाराष्ट्र में वेस्टर्न घाट्स को क्या बोलते हैं? शायद्री. So right here SAHYADRI, Shayadri. In the first blank it is Damodar, DAMODAR. In the second blank it is Hooghly, HOOGLY, Hooghly. In the second one it is Shayadri, SAHYADRI, Shayadri. Now we will move towards the exercise number 3 of day 3, that is name the following. Name the following करेंगे अभी. 3 division of the plateau region. Plateau region के 3 division कौन कौन से हैं? First one is Malwa Plateau, second one is Chota Nagpur Plateau, and third one is Deccan Plateau. 3 division कौन कौन से? Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Deccan Plateau. So write the spelling MALWA, Malwa Plateau, PLATEAU, Plateau. In the second one, Chota Nagpur Plateau, CHOTANAGPUR, Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. In the third one, it is Deccan Plateau, DECCAN, Deccan Plateau, PLATEAU, Deccan Plateau. Okay, now see the next one. Second वाले में the 2 rivers which flow westward. ये हमने पहले भी किया था. 2 rivers जो westward flow करती है वो कौन कौन सी है? The Narmada and the Tapti. So right here the Narmada and the Tapti. NARMADA, Narmada, and Tapti, TAPTI, Tapti. Third, the 2 hill range that flanks the Deccan Plateau. 2 hill range जो Deccan Plateau में आती है, that is Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So right here T-E-R-N, Eastern. G-H-A-T-S, Ghats. E-A-S-T-E-R-N, Eastern Ghats. G-H-A-T-S, Ghats. And the next blank is Western Ghats. W-E-S-T-E-R-N, Western.
थर्ड वन में आंसर क्या लिखा?
What happened?
थर्ड वन का आंसर क्या लिखा है?
Third one का आंसर Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So write here W-E-S-T-E-R-N, Western, G-H-A-T-S, Ghats. So the first one is Malwa Plateau. In the first one, 3 divisions are Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Deccan Plateau. Second one is the Narmada and the Tapti. And the third one is Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Put a cross on the fourth one. Put a cross on fourth one. It is not in our course. ये हमारे कोर्स में नहीं है. Okay. Now see the next on the next page, page number 5. Our question bank.
डे 3 दिखाओ ना, मेरा थोड़ा बहुत बाकी रह गया है.
हाँ, थोड़ा बाकी रह गया, वो मैं लास्ट में दिखाऊंगी. फर्स्ट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. नाउ सी, fill in the blank. The river dash divides the plateau region into 2 parts. कौन सी रिवर प्लेट्यू रीजन को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है? नर्मदा. तो राइट हियर N-A-R-M-A-D-A, नर्मदा. N-A-R-M-A-D-A, नर्मदा. सेकेंड, द वेस्टर्न घाट्स आर लॉन्ग रेंज ऑफ. वेस्टर्न घाट्स में ज्यादा क्या है? हिल्स. सो राइट हियर हिल्स. In third one, the river originates in the central highlands. Which river originates in the central highlands? Narmada. N-A-R-M-A-D-A, Narmada. Fourth, largest plateau in India. हमारे इंडिया का largest plateau Deccan Plateau. So right here Deccan Plateau. D-E-C-C-A-N, Deccan. P-L-A-T-E-A-U, Deccan Plateau. Now see the fifth one. It is also called a tableland. इसको बोलते हैं हम plateaus. P-L-A-T-E-A-U-S, plateaus. So just recheck this. In the first one it is Narmada. In the second one it is hills. In the third one again it is Narmada. In the fourth one it is Deccan Plateau. In the fifth one it is plateaus. Okay? Now just start writing the unscrambled words. So everyone just, ये आगे आपको A और G लिख के दिया है यहाँ पे. Just put a pencil on it and just write P over here. इन दोनों की जगह आपको सिर्फ P लिख देना है. यहाँ पे A और G लिखा है, उसको पेंसिल से हटा दो और यहाँ पे खाली आपको P लिखना है. So what will be the unscrambled word? का मीनिंग है नागपुर. N-A-G-P-U-R, नागपुर. N-A-G-P-U-R, नागपुर.
मैम वो करेक्शन वाला दिखाओ तो. फर्स्ट वन
A और G को P लिखना है करेक्शन में आपको. In second one, write Deccan. D-E-C-C-A-N, Deccan.
क्रॉस क्यों किया है? वो तो नर्मदा है.
What happened? नर्मदा कैसे बनेगा? Now see the third one, that will be camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel.
मैम नर्मदा बन रहा है. मैम फोर्थ वन नर्मदा बन रहा है. यस मैम, नर्मदा बन रहा है.
Okay, just wait a minute, just wait for a while.
यस मैम नॉर्मल नहीं बन रहा है.
Okay, just wait for a while. Let me see first. Till that you complete the others. Now see this. Don't put a cross over here. Write here Narmada. 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 And the fifth one is plateau. 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 So the first one is Nagpur. Nagpur. Second one is Deccan. 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 Third one is Camel. 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 Fourth one is Narmada. Narmada. And fifth one is Plateau. 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 So here we have completed our worksheet. Okay. Now I am showing you again. Please complete your work. Okay. And afterwards I will send you the PDF again in your WhatsApp group. So please complete it from there. Okay. Just now I am showing you the PDF. Screen. Just see and complete your work.
When my work is done. When my work is done.
It's
मुझे सेकंड पेज चाहिए, फर्स्ट पेज नहीं चाहिए.
फर्स्ट पेज नहीं चाहिए.
नो मैम वो सबका हो गया है. नो मैम
ओके
नहीं हुआ है. चाहिए मैम प्लीज फिफ्थ पेज दिखाओ.
अभी दिखा रही हूँ. दूसरों को सबको पहले ही कंप्लीट करने.
मैम आपने जो सेकंड की ब्लैंक है उसमें ए लिखा है कि एस ओ लिखा है.
वो बाद में जब मैं PDF भेजूँ उसमें से कर लेना.
मैम आपने सेकंड वन की ब्लैंक में आपने क्या लिखा है? एस ए लिखा है कि एस ओ?
Where?
मैम सेकंड एक्सरसाइज 2 में सेकंड वाली
It is Shayatri.
में ए है कि ओ?
SAHYADRI. ए है. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Still
Ma'am, मैं Ma'am, done.
Okay, now see the third page. अभी जिसका सेकंड पेज में बाकी रह गया है वो PDF में से करेंगे.
Ma'am, my work is done. मैंने सब कर लिया. मैम मैंने भी.
Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Every one of you had completed?
मैम मेरा फर्स्ट वन बाकी है, फर्स्ट वन प्लीज.
Okay, I will send you the PDF now. अभी जिसका भी बचा है मैं आपको PDF भेज दूंगी. You will all complete from that PDF. Okay?
मैम.
Okay, everyone. Your work of quiz zone, writing zone, worksheet. From Monday we will start the new chapter, chapter number 14. That is our heritage. Okay? From Monday we will start the new chapter, that is our heritage. Okay? So be ready with that and please complete your work on time. Okay?
मैम मेरा सारा कंप्लीट ही है इस चैप्टर का.
Very good. Very good. If you had completed, others who have completed their work, please complete it.
मैम मेरा भी सब कंप्लीट है.
Okay, very good. If you had completed. Okay, everyone, just take care and I will send you the PDF. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Take care.
Bye.